It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am participating in my monthly collaboration with my girls, Melinda over at the Crafty Doll, as well as Donna, the Creole Crafter. In this month's collaboration, we are to create a summer DIY. Let's go. As you can see here, I have one of those wire wreath forms that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I, for some odd reason, decided to wrap the pool noodle on the inside. I totally forgot I wasn't using the actual floral stems, but the floral garland that you can find at the Dollar Tree. It is usually hanging around the windows where they have the summer lays and the summer signs and all that. So I decided that I was going to use that. And again, I don't know why I used the pool noodle, but that's neither here nor there. When this project is over, I can take it down and still use this wreath form. So, hey, it's not always, right? And so what you can't see is that I have started to wrap this floral garland around the perimeter of this wreath form. And basically that's all that you're going to be doing for this project. I will add an element to it, or an embellishment, let's say embellishment to this piece to give it character. And you guys got to let me know what you think about it in the reveal. So guys, how was your weekend? I had a great weekend. I was able to spend some quality time and reconnect with my best friends of over 40 years. I haven't been able to do a lot, but they encouraged me and hey, just come out and let's just have a good time. And that's what I did. And I'm glad that I was able to do that. I feel a little refreshed and rejuvenated and, just ready to see what's next. It's always good to have great friends. Like I said, friendships for over 40 years. And I mean, it's the three of us and we are extremely close. And that's all I got to say. I had a great time and I hope you guys did as well. And as you can see, I am just basically, like I stated before, just looking at placement and just making sure that I have enough of this floral garland to go around. And then I have this summer sign right here that sunshine summer time, I think that's what it says. And I am going to let that be my embellishment for this piece. I think that it's really cute. Now, what I will say is, if I had to do this over, I would most definitely use a different type of floral garland if I wanted to go with that, and or I would have just went on and used regular floral stems. But nevertheless, this is an inspirational piece. And all you guys got to do is just take this and, if you want to recreate it, just use your imagination, take what I've done and enhance it or expand on it and make it your own. Remember, we as crafters bring you inspirational ideas that you may or may not like what we're doing, but if you're inspired by it, then we've done our jobs. And guys, don't forget that this video is a part of my monthly collaboration with my girls, Melinda over at the Crafty Doll, as well as Donna, the Creole Crafter. And I will be sharing a little more information about these two beautiful ladies in a little bit. just hang on. And also, if you have watched this video so far and you're kind of liking the direction of where this is going, and even if you do not, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. And speaking of Donna is known as the Farmhouse Queen. Her channel handle is the Creole Crafter, and on Donna's channel, she creates beautiful farmhouse decor. She has great distressing techniques. I've noticed in watching Donna over the last couple of months, she has kind of expanded her skill set into doing shabby chic and woodworking, just showing you guys that she can cut some wood and create some beautiful decor. Now let's talk about Melinda, the Dollar General Queen. If you're looking for great savings, you want to check out Melinda's channel. Melinda has two channels actually on YouTube: The Crafty Doll, where she creates all of her beautiful home decor projects and floral arrangements, and then she will style those things on her secondary channel, All Things Home on a Budget. You can also find on this channel her creating beautiful tablescapes, her whipping up a nice cost-effective meal, her showing you how to create your own napkin rings and you know, just all kind of beautiful stuff, from indoor to outdoor cleaning, you name it, you're gonna find it on Melinda's channel. And guys, we're at the reveal. Here it is. This is my wreath, my summertime wreath. Now, I will say that I made the mistake of clipping the little thread that held these pieces together, so I had to kind of glue them back. But I am going to recreate this and re-upload it to the channel so that you can see using regular floors. That way you can see how you can redo it using the floral stems from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or anywhere where artificial or faux flowers are sold. But nevertheless, I still think this turned out really cute. You guys gotta let me know what you think about it in the comment section of this video. And also guys, I want you to remember that this video is a part of my monthly collaboration with Melinda over at The Crafty Doll and Donna, the Creole Crafter. Make sure you are subscribing to their channel. And guys, if there's nothing else, be blessed, and until the next video, bye for now.